Are you tired of waiting for your T4 slip to arrive in the mail? Discover how easy it is to access and download it from the CRA website, empowering you to manage your taxes efficiently and effortlessly. Welcome to The Explainer, where today we are completely bypassing the physical mailbox and taking direct, digital control of our tax prep.
Seriously, having immediate online access is a total game changer. It not only speeds up your filing process, but it practically eliminates that awful stress of missing paperwork for your current or even previous tax years. Let's get right into it.
Here's our agenda for today. We'll cover T4 slips in the CRA, preparing for the process, a step-by-step online guide, troubleshooting common CRA issues, benefits and additional tips, and finally, a quick conclusion, CTA, and disclaimer.
All right, Section 1, T4 slips and CRA, understanding the basics.
First things first, let's establish what we're actually looking for and why this digital shift matters so much to your financial routine. A T4 slip is officially known as a statement of remuneration paid. It's absolutely crucial for filing your taxes because it tells the government exactly how much you earned in a given year and what taxes, like your Canada pension plan or employment insurance premiums, were already deducted from your paycheck. And by law, employers have to issue these by the end of February.
Now, what's really fascinating here is that the CRA already has your digital data. You see, every single time an employer or financial institution issues a tax slip, a copy goes straight into the government system. This makes the online retrieval process entirely possible and, honestly, incredibly convenient. You aren't asking the CRA to generate something new, you're simply asking to peek at what's already sitting right there in your file.
Moving right along to Section 2, preparing for the process, gathering your info.
Before we just jump online and start clicking around, we need to gather a few essential items to ensure a smooth, frustration-free experience. To access the CRA My Account portal, you're going to need to verify your identity. So you'll need your social insurance number, your date of birth, your current postal code, and, this is the one that always trips people up, an exact line amount from a tax return assessed in the past 2 years. So definitely go grab an old notice of assessment for that. You'll also need a way to log in. The easiest method? Using an active sign-in partner, which is literally just the exact same login information you already use for your online banking. It's super secure, and no, the CRA never actually sees your banking details.
Okay, Section 3, step-by-step online guide, accessing your slips.
Let's get into the practical execution and see how this builds into a simple, repeatable process you can use every single tax season. The main thing is securely logging in and knowing exactly where to look. Step 1. Head over to the CRA My Account page. Step 2. Log in, usually just seamlessly using that existing online banking credential we just talked about. Step 3. You'll complete a quick multi-factor authentication. This is usually just a code sent right to your phone. And finally, Step 4. Navigate straight to the Tax Information Slips menu, select your tax year, and boom, there are your documents ready to view.
Now here is a massive pro tip from financial experts that you absolutely need to know. Because of a known CRA system glitch that actually omits your name when you use the native print or save button on their site, you should simply zoom out your browser window and take a screenshot of your entire slip instead. Seriously, it's that easy. This ensures all your identifying information is captured perfectly, just in case you need to submit the document to an accountant, a bank, or a mortgage broker later on.
Next up, Section 4. Troubleshooting common CRA issues, overcoming roadblocks.
Look, sometimes technology or processing times don't go perfectly, right? So let's prepare you for the most common hurdles you might face along the way. If your account gets locked because you forgot a password or triggered a security hold, the CRA has a great new Register Again self-serve feature. It lets you reset your access without calling in, as long as you still have your multi-factor authentication set up. If your slip is simply missing from the portal due to digital lag, which totally happens while the CRA validates files, a quick call to the CRA at 1-800-959-8281 can actually get you the exact box numbers you need right over the phone. And if you changed banks and your sign-in partner is gone, just go through the CRA registration process again to set up a new link.
Now, what if the deadline is looming and the slip just never arrives, even after calling? As an absolute last resort, you can file your taxes by estimating your income using the year-to-date amounts on your final December pay stub. You'll grab your total income, CPP, and EI withheld. Just remember, if you do this, you must keep notes explaining the missing slip, and you have to be fully prepared to file a formal adjustment, known as a T180J, later on if the real T4 numbers end up being slightly different once the CRA finally processes them.
Let's look at Section 5, benefits and additional tips, maximizing your digital account.
Let's highlight why setting up this digital access is a massive, long-term advantage for your financial planning.
well beyond just finding one lost piece of paper. Beyond simply viewing slips, your CRA My Account unlocks some incredible features. The most powerful one? Autofill My Return, or AFR. If you use certified tax software, AFR magically imports all your tax data, slips, and carry forward amounts directly from the CRA into the software. This drastically reduces human error, speeds up your tax prep time to literally mere minutes, and helps get you your refund way faster, especially if you've set up direct deposit. Plus, you get instant tracking of things like GST/HST credits and your RRSP contribution limits.
Of course, with great convenience comes great responsibility. This portal holds your entire financial life, so always safeguard your personal information. Use strong, unique passwords, and ensure your multi-factor authentication methods, like an SMS text to your phone or a physical passcode grid, are always kept up to date. This ensures nobody gets into your account but you, keeping your sensitive tax data securely locked down tight.
And finally, Section 6, Conclusion, CTA, and Disclaimer. Wrapping up.
Let's wrap up this explainer with a few final, crucial takeaways to ensure you are fully prepared to take action. Here's your quick summary. T4s are your essential income statements. You can access them instantly via CRA My Account. Remember our pro tip? Use screenshots to avoid that annoying CRA printing glitch. If slips are stubbornly missing from the portal, call the CRA directly at 1-800-959-8281 to get the numbers you need to file on time. And lastly, leverage that Autofill My Return feature for maximum efficiency. By bypassing the physical mail system and utilizing these secure digital tools, you are totally empowered to take control of your financial data quickly and painlessly.
Now please remember that the information provided here today is for educational purposes only. Tax laws are complex, dynamic, and highly personal, so you should always consult a licensed tax professional or accountant for guidance tailored specifically to your unique financial situation.
So, I leave you with this final thought. Are you ready to stop waiting on the mail and finally take control of your taxes today? Why wait on the mail carrier when your complete financial picture is literally just a few clicks away? If you found this explainer helpful, please subscribe for more tax-related content and take control of your financial future today. Thanks for joining me, and happy filing.